Now this is more of a proper straight back because we have a trailer to deal with. I personally like to dip in a little bit. That's just me. But if you're doing your test, maybe don't do that. You know, I just like to, like, ideally, you know, I like to be already pointing. You know, I don't know. I just do. All right, so let's get our. I'm gonna put my steer straight, and it's gonna slowly start jackknifing in there. All right, I'm gonna get myself in a straight back position. Okay. Now I'm gonna start turning here. Now, basically, once the trailer gets past this trailer, you can just crank it. All right, because the front of the truck's gonna go to the left, the front of the trailer is gonna go to the right. Okay, so take that into account. So let's start backing up, as you can see, and let's start chasing it. Now this is a pretty wide space, but all right, hard left, and we're in. Let's pull forward just to center ourselves because we like that.